all dear my students. Welcome to our school Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School Kamshet. Today's subject is EVS Part 2. Our class is 4th and we have already started the chapter number 9 Pratapgarh makes history. So in that chapter we have seen about the Adil Shah perturbed, then the Khan accept the challenge, then we have seen about the Swaraj in danger also, Afzal Khan's counter move and tit for tat. These points we have covered in the previous classes. So today we will start our new point of the same chapter, the meeting place. Okay. In the previous class we have stopped at tit for tat, means so Shivaji Maharaj has given some word to the Afzal Khan, sent some messages to Afzal Khan. Now the meeting place. Next point of the same chapter is the meeting place. The Machi on Pratapgarh was chosen as the meeting place. So Machi on Pratapgarh was chosen as a meeting place. A day and time was fixed. What was the fixed? The time and date was fixed. It was agreed that each one would be accompanied by a servant and followed by 10 bodyguards at a distance. So what they have decided? They have decided to go with, each one will go with the servant and followed by 10 bodyguards at a distance. A special road was constructed for the convenience of the Khan and big shamiana put up for the meeting. So what was they have constructed? They have constructed the new road for Afzal Khan, the convenient road for Afzal Khan, and a big shamiana put for the meeting. Many of advisors tried to dissuade him for meeting the Khan. Every move, what was happened? So everything was planned. So Shivaji Maharaj has constructed a road for Khan. He has put big shamiana for Afzal Khan. Every move of Shivaji was marked by great caution. Means every move of Shivaji was marked by a great care. He divided his army into small units. Each unit was told there to hide and when and how to act. So he has divided his army into small units. Each unit was told where to hide. Everyone has given the guidelines where to hide and how to act. He took very measure for safety and left nothing to chance. He has taken, Shivaji Maharaj has planned so much things, everything was planned, and he has taken very measures, precautions for safety and left nothing to chance. Many of his advisors tried to dissuade him from meeting the Khan. Many of the advisors of Shivaji Maharaj has dissuaded him, means discourages him from meeting the Khan. The Khan word could not be trusted. Khan ke word we could not be trust. But Shivaji brushed aside his advice and decided to meet the Khan as arranged. So Shivaji Maharaj has neglected all the things and he decided to meet the Khan as the arrangement was done. So this is the Machi, you can see in the picture. Before the meeting, one of the day of the meeting, Shivaji visited Bhavani's temple in the morning and took darshan. On the day, means on that day, Shivaji Maharaj visited Bhavani's temple in the morning and took darshan. Soon after he started putting his ceremonial clothes, he wore his sarwar and coat of mail. Coat of mail means the coat or jacket covered with a metal ring. We can say that chilkhat. Over the coat of mail he wore a kurta. On the coat of mail, on the chilkhat, he wore a kurta and a flowing robe. On his head he placed a jire top, which is we can call as a helmet, and tied a mandil around it. He fitted Vagnakha on onto the fingers of his left hand. Hidden inside the left sleeve was a bichwa, and he carried his dan patta in his hand. So what was Shivaji Maharaj wore? He wore his sarwar and coat of mail. On the coat of mail he wore a kurta. On head he wore jire top. Then he fitted Vagnakya onto the fingers of this left hand, and hidden inside this left sleeve was a bichwa, and he carried the dan patta in his hand. Okay. But all the Sardars were waiting outside. Shivaji turned to them and said, "Friends, each one of you must carry out the duties assigned you. I am sure the goddess Bhavani will see that we succeed. But if things go wrong and I am killed, do not lose heart. By mistake, what will happen? Maybe Afzal Khan can kill me, so you should not get upset. You should fight and you should carry out the duties assigned you. I am sure the goddess Bhavani will see that succeed. But things go wrong and I am killed, do not lose the heart. Install Sambhaji on the Gandhi. संभाजी महाराज को गादी पे बिठाया जाए. फॉलो द कमांड्स ऑफ मा साहिब. Fight for Swarajya and extend its boundaries. So what should you have to do? If I am killed, you should install Sambhaji on Gandhi, follow the commands of Ma Sahib, and fight for Swarajya and extend its boundaries. When Shivaji make the subjects happy, I shall go now to meet the Khan. He was accompanied by his Vakil Pantaji, Gopinath, and 10 bodyguards including Jivaji Mahala, Sambhaji Kauji, Yesaji Kankar, Krishnaji Gaikwad, Siddhi Ibrahim, and others. So Shivaji Maharaj go with his Vakil Pantaji Gopinath and 10 bodyguards including Jivaji Mahala, Sambhaji Kauji, Yesaji Kankar, Krishnaji Gaikwad, Siddhi Ibrahim, and others. When Shivaji reached the Shamiana, he saw the Khan had already arrived. What Shivaji Maharaj had seen, Khan was there in Shamiana. He was busy planning his future moves. He was busy with his planning for the future. The Khan asked Shivaji Vakil why Shivaji stood at the entrance instead of coming in. So, standing by his side was an armed soldier. When the Afzal Khan was planning for his future, one soldier, his name was Bada Sayyid, was with him. He was highly skilled in the use of Dan Patta. Shivaji came to the entrance of the Shamiana, but on seeing Bada Sayyid, he stopped. He would not proceed further. वो अंदर नहीं गए. तो फिर the Khan asked Shivaji's Vakil why Shivaji stood at the entrance instead of coming in. So Vakil said he is afraid of Bada Sayyid. So Bada Sayyid was the soldier of Afzal Khan. So what Vakil said to Afzal Khan, he afraid to Bada Sayyid. Please ask him to go away. So Shivaji's Vakil told to Afzal Khan, please ask him to go away. And so on the Afzal Khan's order, Bada Sayyid moved away and Shivaji stepped in. So Shivaji Maharaj came into the Shamiyan. The Khan got up and said, "Come Shivaji Raje, let us embrace each other as a mark of our friendship." What Khan said to Shivaji Maharaj, "Come Shivaji, let us embrace, let us hug each other as a mark of our friendship." So here we are stopping now. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Next part we will see in next video. Thank you.